video we are going to know how to read NCERT in bio. So many of them may have a doubt, confusion that whether in NCERT, whether we should mark PYQs, read summary. Why we need to read summary again? In Instagram reels and all, you may see that for NEET aspirants, what they will do is they'll highlight every lines and they will read. How to do? What is the other things? Whether we should do like that, otherwise if there is any different method to do. I'm going to reveal one thing here is how to find out the assessment result based question. Now in NCERT itself, you also can find it out. Hey guys, in this video we are going to see about how to read NCERT in bio. So many of them may have a doubt that after reading it, we should highlight the important points. Whether which are the things it is very important to highlight. That things many of them may not know. That thing I am going to clear in this video. In this many questions you may have how to highlight in bio. Like I will take 1 or 2, 3 questions by now. I have a confusion that whether in NCERT, whether we should mark PYQs or not. That question you may have. Finally, one more thing is whether we should read summary. Why we need to read summary again? Already we have read the chapter in depth inside the chapter. Why we should again read in summary? That if you want to read or not, how to read it, many of them may have a doubt. That also I am going to clarify in this video. Finally, whether NCERT lines means every line is very important. So we should underline every line and read it. Many doubts you may have, whether in Instagram reels and all, you may see that for NEET aspirants, what they will do is they'll highlight every lines and they will read. How to do? What is the other things? Whether we should do like that, otherwise if there is any different method to do. Now I am going to break everything. This is I will say many of them don't know, 99% of them don't know how to read NCERT and how to highlight it. In this video I am going to stay step by step. Really, by seeing this video, I think you are really blessed. In this video you are going to get a very precious thing, I will say. Definitely watch the video till the end. You are going to enjoy it. Let's start. Rules for highlighting the subjects. Whether it could be PYQs, summary, what are the doubts you have, NCERT lines, put anything, you're going to get a very good clarity about it. Let's start. First thing is, I am going to say very clearly that first, highlight only yet third and fourth revision. Very important thing. The reason is, if you read for the first time, when you are seeing opening the book first time, for any chapter that you are reading in the first time, definitely you got able to understand everything in the first reading itself. The lines will be a little bit new for you. The diagrams may look different. After 2-3 times revision, that you can able to understand the chapter very well, the concept very easily. After 2-3 revisions, after 2-3 revision, what you should do is we should highlight the highlighted thing. Which things you should highlight is the things which you have forgotten. Some lines you may can't able to understand in that time also. That type of lines definitely you should underline. Suppose you may also feel that when you are reading and understanding it, this line is very important. That type of lines, very important lines, or sometimes mostly what you should do is which lines which makes you to forget. That type of lines definitely you should underline. Don't read 100% NCERT. Sir, 100% NCERT means whether we should refer any book. Not like that. I am saying that just read the highlighted part. After 2, 3, 4 revisions, your mindset will be such a way that you may know everything. Don't waste your time just by reading every line, because if you have any test, you can't able to read every line, right? So just highlighted lines, what are the things I am saying, that lines are very important. Reading that itself is enough, because once you have already got a concept, definitely if they ask a question which you already have a deep knowledge, definitely there is a high chance that in NEET also you may get the answer correct. But if you are a little bit not aware that this concept is a little bit I can't able to really understand this topic about this particular line. If you are, suppose the same line comes in NEET, there is high chance that you may do mistake. Definitely saying highlight only the unforgotten lines. Otherwise the concept is very important. In 2-3 revisions after, definitely you can read only the highlighted part. That is enough. Because greater assertion. So what is the meaning of this line? You may ask me. The reason is, many of them may know that the reason here assessment reason based questions are more, right? Assessment reason based questions has a high chance that you may do mistake also. I am going to reveal one thing here is how to find out the assessment reason based question. Now in NCERT itself, you also can find it out. How we can find is I'm going to say now. The meaning of this third point is due to, because, have a greater chance of assertion reason. Whenever you read a line in NCERT first time or second time, so after third time when you are highlighting it, see the word which is due to and because. If you see due to and because, there is high chance that assertion reason question may come. When you see due to and because, like the type of words, try to mark it as A/S, that is assertion reason based question, there is a high chance. Like that you can mark and keep. When you are reading it, definitely you can get the mindset then whether this is high chance of assertion reason based question, then you will focus more on that. And one more thing, again, for statement based question also I have a solution, that is not, every, all, always. Like this type of words only, they will try to remove it and I'll ask it as a statement based question whether it is true or false, wrong or not. Like that, like these words, definitely there is high chance that statement based question may come. Definitely when you see this word, definitely mark it as statement based question like S/Q and keep it. Very, very important. Definitely there is a high chance. Star mark your mistakes of you. Sir, what is the mistake you should mark? You may ask the doubt. The things which you are wrong, when you are giving the test, you may do 1 or 2 questions wrong. Select the topic. See in the NCERT which topic you are getting the question wrong. That topic, what you should do is put a star mark on the topic, because repeatedly when you are doing the mistake on that, when you are revising it, you should focus that when you are reading yourself, say there is a star mark here, and definitely you should read more deep and you should understand more. Like that time you will separately allocate for the topic and definitely you will read and make you better also. That is a very, very important thing. Next is focus on PYQ topics, not just question green pen. What is the meaning of it is, whenever somebody may also mark PYQ questions. The thing is not just seeing the PYQ questions and after it getting the answer correctly, that PYQ answer written but exactly where the, after seeing the PYQ answer exactly matches, that line you should not mark just and go. It will not give the benefit of marking in the PYQ. How you should mark it, not just the lines which is given in the PYQ answer. When which topic the PYQ ask, that topic what you should do is underline it by green pen and keep it. In the topic, high chance that question may ask. Very, very important. I am saying very clearly, definitely you should do. Next, add the fact that are not present in NCERT but came in PYQ. This I will not say definitely you should do. There is a randomly, if you see in analyze in 2-3 years, mostly NCERT based questions are coming, but 1 or 2 questions will be a little bit in section B, like out of 15, 10 questions will come, 1 or 2 questions will be outside NCERT. For that, if you are a little bit have a topper mindset, like I will not leave any questions and I want to know everything, then what I will say, we are solving PYQs when there is any extra question that is a little bit behind NCERT example, something if you have found, definitely you can add it in NCERT if you want. Definitely I will say, it is your wish. Next thing is understand the diagram in depth. The reason is most of them what they will do is they will just see the diagram. There is a name they have given here like that. Just see exactly how many locations they have pointed out. What is the exact name of it? Exactly at what point they have marked. Make a practice of it. And finally, what you should do is after seeing the diagram, that in the below they will give the name of the diagram, right? What is the diagram about? In that also try to read the exact what is the word they have said, because sometimes what may happen is, if example I will say plasmid, E. coli plasmid, if there is many things has been labeled in the plasmid, right? Antibiotic resistant gene may come, otherwise something ORI may come. Like that, if you suddenly see ORI, then suddenly if you see in the below the name, they will say ORI means origin of replication. The ROP means there is some definition will be given. Like that, some words will be given, the expansion of it will be given in the name. So definitely try to see the diagram also, the given name also. Very, very important. This you should do. That's why I will say diagram should be seen in the very depth. Very, very important. Next, tables are very important because every chapter don't have tables, but some chapters mainly you may see some tables, right? Very much to see. The reason is there is a high chance that match the following may come. Very important. Next, know your scientists and their contribution. Nowadays, if you see, according to my analysis, I will say recently the scientist name and their contribution questions have been reduced. But I will say, if you don't want to miss one question also, what I will recommend you is scientist name with one line, what is the contribution? I think a little bit less chances there for upcoming years also. Now we are going to summary, very, very important. That is, first you should read the summary detail once. After reading everything, what you should do is underline only the lines that are not present in the chapter. That is, if you have already read the chapter in the depth inside the chapter, the starting pages. After you are going to summary, just find the words which is different from inside the chapter. So really there is so many words which is extra point out in summary. I will say 2-3 words a little bit different. That type of words NEET directly may come in it. In the time what you will take is, you will take more time to understand, and definitely you may feel a little bit, sir, this type of time I really didn't see. Like that of the confusion you may can come, then you have a high chance that you may do the question also wrong. That's why I will say summary also is very important. Try to underline the points. Definitely it is very, very important. As I already said, after 2-3 revisions, what you should do is underline the important points that is not present inside the chapter, that you should mark it now. Finally, don't read etc. That is less is more. The statement says that, many of them says that Ncert is not enough. And other than Ncert, you should study anything, other books for extra knowledge. Nothing will say. As for my advice, I will say, definitely there is nothing to study other than Ncert. Ncert is must. Ncert is enough, more than enough, I will say. Don't need to worry about other books and all. Definitely I will say, not just by seeing this video, definitely your marks will not increase. By following it, and definitely if you follow in this bio, definitely you will score around 330 plus marks. 100% you want not only 330 plus marks, definitely you will score full marks also. Just by seeing the video, definitely it will help you. Just follow it. I know that upcoming 2025, definitely you are going to rock. All the best. Thanks for watching.